If you're interested on making a YouTube banner for free, stay tuned. What up, people? DB here. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into the video. What up, people? DB here. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get right into the video. First step is you're gonna go on canva.com. So pretty much I'm already signed in, but say if you don't have an account, you're just gonna click on the top right corner, and then you would just go make your profile. Once you're done, it'll look like this. So first things first, we're actually gonna go right here where it says search your content or canvas. I'm gonna put a YouTube banner. I already have it preset, but you just type it in and it'll pop up just like that. So we have a lot of options here. Well, with either version, you'll have templates that are free. With the paid version, they'll have like this little crown, gold crown that says pro, and that's pretty much like a template where you have to pay the subscription in order to use that. But we'll just go ahead and use the free version for now. So all right, let's see what's a good one. Let's see. So say if I was like a gaming channel, this one's pretty cool. So pretty much what Canva is, it's like a software that's comes with like free templates that are customizable, and then everything is at like customizable. So for this, go to, I don't know, we'll call it EGC. Up here we just put gameplay tutorial. We'll leave that there. That's pretty cool. I like the aesthetic of that. We'll just put buy. Go ahead and do that. And then this is perfect if you did have a website, you can go ahead and that would be a good add-on to the YouTube banner. But then you could also add socials if you wanted to. So what if you wanted to do that? We'll go right up here, Twitter. You just click on one of these, do the bird, it's smaller probably. If you wanted to go this far into detail, you could just do that. Just make them smaller. All right, and then you go over here to text. You just put insert, shrink it down to size. You just put like your say that was your Twitter tag. You can also change the font too, which is another pretty convenient thing. Okay, right here. There you go. That's how to add your socials, all your IGs, Facebook, or anything like that. If you wanted to do that, you can also do like another plugin where socials, that right down here. So for images, you can also remove. But say if you accidentally deleted it, you're like, oh, what did I do? I need help. Life alert, sponsored by Life Alert. Imagine. No, but yeah, say if you accidentally deleted it, and what do I do next? Don't worry. There's a back arrow right here. So let me go ahead and change the color of the font. We'll go with like a light color. Let's go with, we do blue. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like the green. But we'll go ahead and stay with the theme. And also do this. Adjust the text color. All this is customizable too. If you want to do the whole color scheme, you can. If I wanted to start fresh, like a fresh scene, you can also insert elements. So say if you wanted to add like a logo, or if you're looking for something specific, you can also do that. So say gaming. So we have a bunch of options here. They're free. So say if you wanted to get rid of the background, would you stick to this here? Trying to get rid of the background. There you go. So say if you wanted like a background, let's see. We'll put a gaming background. Oh, this is a really popular one. I know a lot. I'll look for a free one. All the good ones are all paid. Oh, we can do this one. So you click on the right, and then you put send to back. Fit it to size. Probably get rid of these. Sorry, I have that coupon thing. Probably get rid of that if we wanted to. I'll just go ahead and delete it. Just right up here. See, so everything is customizable. It's pretty easy. It just depends on like you and how you want your so just to kind of give you an idea of how everything is like customizable. Or you could also change this one. Say if you don't want this one, go with another one. Oh, this would be so nice. These are all paid original. You could add clouds if you wanted to. You could do like a color. See, but everything is customized. That's what I like about it. We'll just put a background. We'll do something like this if you wanted to add that. But yeah, just to give you an idea, you know, you can fully customize it to your liking. Yeah, there's one. And I know it depends on you know, your niche, the type of channel you are, but I'll go ahead and make a few just to kind of show you that you can pretty much use any template to your liking. Just customize it to exactly how you want. So go back to the templates. What's another one? Say if you want like a simplistic channel art, we do like something. I know like simple text is like really easy. It's like very popular too. So we could just do this right here. The one I seen. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. It's like simple, but it's so like clean. So say if it's like a cooking one, we could go Arby's Cook Show or something. Just like that. And then if you want to change the background, you can. We'll leave it white. We could do like a gray. Gray's pretty cool. If you wanted to, you can also go right here and then just kind of mess with the colors to your liking. Purple. So just for example, we'll do like a light gray, orange. And if this is me, I'd probably add something like you do something like this, just to kind of give you an idea. Oh, this would be so good. Trying to find like a cook one. but this looks good enough to me. You can also make things bold if you wanted to. So say, let's see, I know there was a bold option. So yeah, that's one way of kind of, you know, making a channel art. That everything's fully customizable. And then I'll go ahead and do a different example just to kind of show you like how diverse it is. Like it's super simple, it's easy, it's fast, and most of all it's free. Like for the free version, I think this is a good bang for your buck. I know there's a lot of like beauty channels, like this one's nice. You could really customize this one. So this you could just put, oh, this one's nice too. So safe, like this could be like a nice like vlog or something, like a vlog channel. Background, you could do Anna's, or you could just put Anna Wilson, just kind of making something, and then you could keep that if you wanted to, or if it's like a beauty health, stuff like that, you know, beauty health. If you want to, you can make this green, just click right up here, the stars a little brighter. You could do like a gold. You can also customize it too. You can make it bigger. So see, just to kind of give you an idea. There's also, if you want to add more to it, we could add more if we wanted to. And there you go. It's like super simple, super easy, like I said. So let me go ahead and go back. The whole thing too is like whatever you make, it saves. So for this one, Arby's Cook Show, you know, I saved it. It saved it even though I pushed home. So you don't have to worry about if you accidentally push the back button or something, it automatically saves to the cloud. That's another cool thing about Canva is it saves your stuff automatically. All right, so say when you're done with your channel art, you're like, I like it, this is gonna be the one for me, you're ready to upload, just go ahead and share, top right, and then it's gonna say share, and go to download right here, click on download, and then I always put PNG just because it's the better option, it's more refined, I guess. And then just put download, just downloading. So then you're gonna go to YouTube. You're actually gonna go to YouTube and then click on the top right of your profile, and you're gonna go to your channel, and then from there you're gonna go right over here to the right side, customize channel, and you're gonna click on the branding tab. You're gonna go right here where it says change, and then it also tells you the dimensions of the YouTube banner and how it's gonna look like. So pretty much it's going to show you how it looks like on a TV, desktop, and then on every other device. Then once you're done, you're like, all right, it's good. You're going to put done and make sure to put publish. If you don't put publish, it's not going to save. So just go over here to the top right, publish. So we're actually going to go to view channel, and there, you're good to go. Arby's Cook Show. I know it kind of cut off right here, but that's okay. As long as you get most of it in here. I know with the paid version of Canva, you can customize it to fit the exact measurements of the YouTube banner. But I mean, when you're first starting off, it's okay. I mean, should be fine. That's pretty much it for the YouTube video. If you guys have any questions or anything, go ahead and comment below. Like I said, always like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions or if you guys want to see anything, want to learn anything new, just go ahead and comment below. And then yeah, stay tuned for more tutorial content on getting started on YouTube, customizing. For the next video, I'm probably gonna do how to make a YouTube profile or logo. Like I said, it's gonna be cool. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.